All praise to Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahweh Shai.
All right, so we about to do that.
We're about to go out. We're about to teach the truth of the Bible. We're going to rightly divide the truth and give it to the people. Let them know who they are. Let them know what their nationality is, so they can come up out of this, systematic hypnosis, all these systematic contraptions that they're bound to. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to uplift Yahweh while we're there. In the name of Yahweh Shai.
So Noah had 3 sons, right?
Right.
Ham,
Right.
Shem, and
Right.
Japheth.
Khan.
Okay, we descend from Shem. All other dark people descends from Ham. You know what I'm saying? So matter of fact, you got Ham?
I got it.
Bring down. This is the Zondervan Bible Dictionary, okay? Now, to give you a quick history on the Zondervans. The Zondervans was Europeans who were billionaires who sought out to paint that Christianity was a false, or the Holy Bible wasn't true, okay? Now, what they found out is that Christianity wasn't true. The Bible is true. So they said, hey, something about the teaching of the Bible through Christianity is bullcrap. You see what I'm saying? So the Zondervans, that's who the Zondervans were, and then they produced this book. Give them the definition of Ham.
Ham, the youngest son of Noah.
The youngest son of who?
Noah.
Okay.
Born probably about 96 years before the flood. And one of 8 persons to live through the flood. He became the progenitor.
Salakia. But progenitor, you know how we deal with animals like dogs, right? Their progenitor, the word progenitors means the blood lineage. So he became the blood lineage of
the dark races.
Of the dark races.
Not the Negroes.
Uh-oh. Not the who?
Not the Negroes.
But who descended from him?
But the Egyptians, Ethiopians, Libyans, Canaanites. His descendancy, when his father lay drunken, brought a curse upon Canaan.
So we don't come from him. That's the misconception that they taught our people to blind us from what the truth.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm following you. Go
okay.
ahead.
Go ahead.
Just like the Asians. The Japanese, and the Chinese, they look alike. Vietnamese, but you can't call one the other name, they get offended. The same way when we was in school, when we were younger, what we used to say? Well, you African booty scratcher. We know them 1 hour people. We know we ain't nothing like them. You get five Africans and 5 Negroes and mix them up. I guarantee you can pick the 5 Africans out from the 5 Negroes.
That's right.
You see there's a difference in the similarity in their facial structures and all.
Even their culture.
Facial structures and all.
So by us being in America for over 500 years, have our facial features and the structure of our face not changed because we have been interbred with the European?
No.
Okay, cause check this out.
Good question, but no, that ain't.
Go ahead, brother. What you got for me?
Even when you look at a lot of Africans, even when you look at their structure and stuff like that, if you look at the Olympics and stuff, a lot of Africans are more leaner or smaller than a regular Judite and stuff like that. Even when you look at some of the coaches and stuff, some of them can't even grow beards. Once you look into some of the tribes and stuff. So there is a when you look at the genes and stuff like that, there's a difference between us
Give me
and the Africans.
Exodus.
So
11
was
and
this the
7.
doctrine? So was this the doctrine that the Hebrew Israelites, this version here, is this the doctrine that the Hebrew Israelites was subscribing to from the beginning?
That's right.
From the beginning.
From the beginning.
Do you know why it's not like that anymore though? Or why we had that split? Or why it got basically blurry? You know why?
No.
Because we broke the laws and statutes and commandments of our God.
Teacher.
And we start envying our oppressors. So the Most High, like a good parent, okay, are you a parent yet, brother?
Yes.
Okay, now, when your children do well, what are you going to do for them?
Rewarding.
Exactly. When they do bad, what you going to do for them?
Discipline.
You're going to spank that ass, right? So just like a good father would, that's how our father do us. He kept saying, all right now, stop going off.
So is this why the Hebrew Israelites ate their babies?
This is why, when we got sent into these curses, you talking about in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28. When we went into these curses, the Most High led us into our own, we went into our own destruction. So the Most High said, you know what? If you don't want me, then I'm going to let you fall into all those sins and those follies that you get from all these other heathen nations. You see what I'm saying?
Okay, so do the Hebrew Israelites believe in Jesus Christ?
We believe in Yahawashah, the black Messiah. We don't believe in that white boy named
Not
Caesar.
Cicero Bulgarian.
No,
Not
no,
Cicero
we believe
Bulgarian.
in,
We
yes,
all
we
know
believe,
Pope,
come
you know what I'm saying, whatever.
Come, exactly. His father was, Pope Alexander the Third of Rome?
Six.
So six of Rome. He hired Leonardo da Vinci to paint his sons as the Renaissance of Christ. Thus, you have the Renaissance.
No,
the
they
new
was
beginning.
involved in sodomy and all that.
Exactly.
You know, I disrespect
So-
that. I have no subscription to
Exactly.
that at all.
So, thus, no, we believe in Yahawashah, but it goes back to the point. If you know all this, brother, how you don't believe in your history book? This
Right.
is our history book.
Right.
That's just like me. That's just like me taking something that's yours and you know it's rightfully yours. And you're like, man, I don't even believe in that though. What? You better go get your shit back.
Okay, so y'all Savior is,
Yahawashah.
and has Yahawashah, has he come before?
And yes, has he? And if like you talking about, has he come like in Solomon or in the priest of Melchizedek?
Has he
Come in
walked
his,
the earth before?
has he come in his fullness? Like you talking about when he was like when he brought the New
During the
Testament?
time of the Romans, he
Uh,
was born of Mary through Joseph.
do y'all believe in the crucifixion, and do y'all believe in the works that the so-called Jesus Christ, but y'all Savior,
It's Yahawashah.
Yahawashah,
Yeah.
is this the same individual that came and did the miracles
Yeah.
and died on the cross?
Yeah.
So
But for Israel,
for Israel. So if this Savior came, right,
Mm-hmm.
came already and passed already, why hasn't anything changed?
okay. So now somebody give me. My bad. My bad. You
Okay.
Oh, somebody give me Matthew chapter 5 verse 17.
Bring it out.
One more question. Matthew, is that an Israelite name or is that a European name?
That's you got to remember. So it was transferred into
English.
To Greek.
into Greek.
And
Greek,
then
come.
into English. So that's the it's being transliterated.
So it's been translated
Literally, yeah.
Many times.
They don't be transliterated from Hebrew to Arabic.
Just a different
to
language, depending on what
Latin,
language.
Right.
to Greek. You see what I'm saying?
So what you making sure you trying to make sure that it's not watered down and we ain't catching no bull crap.
What
I
I'm trying to make sure is that this is not the European doctrine that we teach our babies that's designed to, because there's a lot of things that I've read in this Bible that don't necessarily coincide with the
Somebody give me Isaiah chapter 28
don't
verse 9.
necessarily coincide with the betterment of our people.
So let's check this out. Now, what you saying to the naked eye would make sense because we was in that same state of mind. That's something called Christianity. Christianity does not coincide. The Bible clearly speaks that Yahweh and Yahawashah are pure racists. I'm a proud racist. I hate white people.
That's right.
I hate Chinese people. I hate Japanese people. I hate Arabians. I hate Africans. If you are not on this side, if you are not on this side and you had a wreck right now, I would clap my hands and thank Yahweh. Real talk. Real talk. If a white person came to me talking about I need money and my daddy just died and I got cancer, I want to know how bad, because I can like join in with the Most High's vengeance on you. Straight up. I don't got no love for my enemies, brother. Thing is, the scriptures are true. We just been taught from white eyes.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
So outside of this doctrine, outside of the King James version of the Bible. Okay, outside of the Bible, we talking about physicality. What are these tombs? Where is the tomb of Yahushua? Where is the tomb of Moses? What is or Atmos? What are these tombs?
Okay, so
what are these people in history?